Hi, I'm Shiloh. I'm 45 years old. I'm approaching my 46th birthday this year and I am brand ambassador to Perfect Shade Cosmetics. I am a makeup influencer, blogger, as well as a makeup manufacturer. As a child, I was a professional dancer. Makeup, glitter and glam has always been in my veins. I would always watch my mom getting ready daily for work, doing her makeup and her hair. My granny was a professional singer. So it has always been, entertainment has always been in my blood from a young age. I found the need for brides that wanted one person to do everything. I found that brides were often having to travel on the wedding day and going to have makeup done and hair done, and I just found that my calling for a bridal stylist was something that was needed at that point in time. I bought a company called Shade Cosmetics that came with recipes and formulas, and I found that there were lots of problems with local brands, and I was experimenting in my kitchen trying to alleviate these problems together with the lab that I was working with, and just to find the perfect formula. I found the need for artists because I was getting overbooked and I just couldn't keep up with the demand of being a bridal stylist. I decided to teach my talents to potential students and thereby giving the bridal industry more artists so that a lot of underprivileged women could actually determine their own income. I just had a weakness for women that came from broken marriages, and I just felt that I needed to build them up. With climate change, I found that there was an increase in hormonal problems with women, and with my nursing background, I found it was extremely beneficial in doing consultations and advising them on the correct products. Perfect Shade Cosmetics has been instrumental in building me up in a valuable artist to the public, as well as somebody who can do a consultation to determine people's needs. So I decided to commit to doing my YouTube channel because up until now I have been creating, launching stores and just did not have the time to put content out there. So ladies can expect everything from basic makeup application to brow tutorials, but with a twist. I teach you according to how you're going to receive it and how you're going to really learn properly. So it's not going to be edited content, it's going to be content where we are going to troubleshoot, we're going to not cut corners in teaching you the techniques and tips. I'm going to give them a lot of medical advice, obviously that has been researched together with professionals. I am also going to give them lots of hair and makeup and wig tips, how to do basic updos, how to treat their hair, because I also have a range of hair products that I retail. So clients can expect absolutely everything. Everything that other channels are not covering, I am going to be covering it all.